In this video we will do linear equations. So this is the question: 3x plus 4 is equal to x negative 10. You can see on left side and on right side there is a x, and we have to find the value of x. First of all, 3x plus 4 negative x, x negative 10 negative x. You have to do negative x on both sides, and after that this will be cut off, and this is negative 10, and this 3x negative x is equal to 2x plus 4. Now remove this 4 by removing this 2x plus 4 negative 4 on both sides. This is negative 10 and this is negative 4. For this is cut off. This is 2x, and negative 10 negative 4 is equal to negative 14. Now 2x is equal to negative 14. Now you have to remove this 2. This is 2x dividing this 2, negative 14 divided will be 2. This will be cut off x, and this is negative 7. 2 7s are 14. This is negative 7. So the answer of x is negative 7. This is the way how you can solve linear equation. We have another question for x negative 2 is equal to x plus 7, and in the same way we have to remove x from this. We have to find the value of x. So for this, 4x negative 2, this is x plus 7. So negative x on both sides. This is x, and now this is positive, this is negative will be cut off. This is 7. Okay, now this 4x minus this x is equal to 3x negative 2. Okay, now 3x negative 2, okay, and this is negative 2, adding 2 on both sides. This is 7, this is plus 2, adding 2 on both sides. Now this is negative 2, this is positive 2, this is cancel, and now 3x is equal to 9. Okay, 3x is equal to 9. Now we have to remove this 3. For this, 3x over 3 dividing with 3 on both sides. This 3 will be cut off, this is cut off, this is x, and this is 3 9s are 3 are 9. Okay, now the value of x is 3. So this is the way you can solve linear equation. Now we have a question: 3x negative 2 is equal to negative x plus 14, and we have to find the value of x. For this is 3x, this is negative x, adding on x on both sides. In this side x will be vanished, will be removed. How? You can see negative x plus 14, and this is negative x, we are doing plus x. This is 3x negative 2 and also plus x over here. Now after that, this is negative, this is positive, these are off, and this is 14. Now this is 3x, this is x, this is 4x negative 2. After that, adding 2 on both sides, because this is negative 2. So 4x negative 2 is equal to 14. And what to do? This is 2 plus 2, this is plus 2. And this will be cut off because this is negative, this is positive, and this is 14 plus 2 is 16. Now this is 4x. 4x is equal to 16. Now after that, we have to remove this 4. For this, 4x divided by 4 is equal to 16 divided by 4 on both sides. This will be cut off, and this is x, and 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So this is 4. This is the answer of x. We have a question now. To negative 2x negative 5 is equal to 5x plus negative 12. So we have to find the value of x. In this question, this is 5x plus and this is negative 2x. So first of all, here negative 2x negative 5, we will do plus 2x on both sides. Why? Because we have to remove x from one side. So this is negative 12 and we have done this 2x. After that, this is negative, this is positive, this is cut off. Now this is negative 5 and this 5x and this 2x are positive, and now this is 7x. 2 plus 5 is 7x and this is 12. Now we have to remove this 12 because we have to find the value of x. So for this 7x negative 12, this is negative 5, this is negative 5 and negative 5. Now adding 12 on both sides, 12, this is 12 and this 12 and this 12 will be cut off because this is negative, this is positive. We have 7x. Now what is this? Plus 12 negative 5 is equal to 7 because their difference is 7. Because this is positive, this is negative, we have see this their difference, and their difference is 7 and this is positive 7. Now we have 7x is equal to 7. Now dividing 7x by 7 to remove 7, and this is also divisible by 7 because dividing with the same number on both sides. This is 7, cancel, this is x, 7 ones are 7, so this is 1. So this is the answer of x. X is equal to 1. You can see that this is the method how to solve linear equation and find the value of x when these type of question are given, and you can easily solve them. And I hope so you got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel.